Video, I will describe how to use Laulima discussions. Again, this is where we will have our weekly discussions. These topics are time released, so you will only see new topics each week in the class. As a note, under the class discussions area, if you click on this, you will see some guidelines about your posts and how to respond with other students. And then to actually see the weekly discussion topics, you'll just click on the title. Let's take a look at week 1. So we'll click on week 1 discussion. Week 1 is a little bit different. So we'll also want to then click on view full description and attachments. And you can see for week 1, and this is only for week 1, we are using an outside platform or site called Flip, and this is where you will record yourself, introducing yourself. And I do this as the participation verification and also to authenticate your identity so you are who you say you are. Other forms of doing this would be a proctored exam. We don't have a proctored exam in this course, so I have you this one time only make a video of yourself introducing yourself to the course. So you would click on this link to Flip, and you'll have to join the course. That's a really easy step. You just click on join the course, and then you're going to see the week 1 discussion topic. You can click on that and look at the specific information I'd like you to address in your introduction. When you're ready to record your video, you just go ahead and hit record, and then once your video is posted, other students in the class can watch your video and then comment on your video. So as a reminder, you do need to comment on 2 of your classmates' videos for this assignment. Going to take us back to Laulima discussions. Let's take a look at week 2. The rest of the weekly discussions will be conducted only in Laulima discussions. So looking at the full description, you can read the question I'd like you to answer, and then when you're ready to post your answer, you'll click Start a New Conversation. And you can give your response a title if you'd like, and then actually the title is required, and then your response goes into this text box, and then you'll hit post. And then once you've posted your response, your classmates can reply to your post. And again, for each of these weekly discussions, you will need to respond to 2 of your classmates. And as a reminder, these assignments are due every Saturday before 11:55 p.m.